OBS Studio, but we are using Restream. So with the Restream, I can do the same live stream to a different platform. Okay, so I can also do the same live stream on YouTube and other platform. Okay, so for now it's a free version, so you can watch this live in two platform. So we are also doing live in Twitter and on YouTube. Okay, but we have all the courses on YouTube only. Okay, so we are just testing our new platform. So here, this is my Twitter account. Okay, so we have a Revit BIM learning group. Rajan BIM. I think I should change this name. Okay, so can I change this name? I can't change this name. Rajan BIM Revit learning group. That's good. Okay, somehow I should change the heading. Edit profile. Let's go edit profile. Okay. We can also do like Raj and BIM learning group, and that should be okay. Oh, Bangalore, then just save it. Yes, so we are learning BIM, but it's just from Revit. Okay, so when people are searching for Revit, will get they will find this channel, and when they are searching for BIM, they will find this channel. And the title is so clear that we are teaching BIM in Revit. Okay, so you can do BIM modeling in other software also, but we are taking Revit as a major software. You can find my YouTube channel. You can click here, and so we are going live, and we have lots of members. I should say thanks to all my channel members. You have a playlist. We have playlist. Yeah, so here we have tutorials for Revit structure and Revit architecture. Okay, so I have also created some videos on families and so I have created some videos for MEP and Navis Works. Okay, so majorly I'm promoting Revit architecture and structure BIM tutorial and Revit structure BIM tutorial. Just watch this playlist and surely you will learn better. We have list of videos you can watch. Okay, so today we are just testing, so I should check this video and audio quality, and the video should be readable and the audio should be clear. So that's what our aim with the Restream platform. Okay, let me know if you can't hear me properly, or if there is any problem with the audio and the video delay, and let me know so when how you're feeling with about this live. Okay, so actually this Restream is a payable version. Okay, so whatever we do is not free. Okay, so the laptop will cost, the internet will cost, the electricity what we use will cost, and the place we are paying, and we have other hidden charges also, and we are spending lots of time and to encourage students. Okay, so it's not free, so there is lots of background works are happening. So I would request all the students to become a channel member. Please take channel membership and learn better. Okay, so I am encouraging students to learn on their own. Okay, so in case if you're a senior and you don't have time If you feel like if you are in a group you will learn better, then you can ask for group training, then we'll arrange. Okay, so that's all about our channel. So this is our channel. Okay, it's my contact number. So we are focusing on architecture and structure only for now. I'm not taking mechanical, electrical and plumbing because whatever you learn, you have to learn it uh, with a clear idea. I should learn. So otherwise, no point of teaching. So that's why I'm not taking MEP, because I don't have any working experience. Okay. So with architecture and structure, I have working experience. I know how things works in architecture and structure and how to coordinate between both. Okay. Um, Maybe in the future we'll also take mechanical and plumbing. So electrical is another discipline. So we should have a clear idea about electrical and how it works in Revit. Otherwise, it's better to leave it to the experts. Yeah. So just learn from expert. Okay. So here I have a blank Revit file. Okay. So here there's a question like in structure. So we know how to use structural connections tool, right? With the steel connection, you can use connections tool. If you go to steel, we have lots of options. We can also use notch skewed. We can also use notch option, okay, and meter option. So will this work only with the steel, or can this be used with the wooden beams also? So that's a major learning we should know. Let's go to insert load family. I'm going to show you an example of how to connect beams, wooden beams, and how to notch, how to create a meter joint. So let's see. Let's go to structural framing, wood, and take any wooden beam. Okay, so it's loaded now. Let's go to structure, beam, and draw a beam. Yeah, it looks same like steel. Okay, so now how do I connect in this portion? Actually, if this is the situation, so one beam will be continuous, another one will be, okay, let's take one as a main beam, another one as secondary beam. Now this beam we have to connect with this one, so we have to break the beam, and then we can connect. Okay, so in case if you are if you think you want to cut the beam to make the connection, then you can do so. Okay, so let's try with the join geometry. Let's go to modify, join. See here, I cannot join. Can I cut geometry? I can cut. Select the main beam and select the secondary beam. It's not cutting. So split face of cutting element. Really, it's not working. Okay, I can select any one, but I can't select both beam. That's a problem. So we cannot join geometry, we cannot do cut geometry. Okay, so what else can I do? Let's go to structure and go for notching option. Steel, take a notch option. Let's see how this works. Really, it's not working. Okay, so it's not working. So then what should you do? You have to break. Okay, then extend the beam till here and extend this beam till here. So that's how we make the perfect joint. In case if you want to make a cut in the main beam and if you want to run the secondary beam, in that case you have to cut the main beam. So how to cut the main beam? You can go to steel and take a contour cut. Okay, so select the face. So I can't make the cut, somehow it's not working. Go to structure and cut by face and select the plane, then draw a rectangle to cut. So here I can show you an example. Okay, so let's say I'm going to cut it till here. Okay, so in case if I cut, and you can see the main beam is cut and the secondary beam is running through. So that's how we can do. So your connection is based on your design, but you need to know how to present in the drawing. Okay, everything works with the geometry. So you should make perfect cut, then you will get a better graphics in your drawing. Okay, so this is one. Let's go for a different situations. Okay, let's say I have a beam here from here. So how do I do a meter joint? How do I do a meter joint? Okay, so with the face cut, so I can also cut the part of beam, part of both the beam, then it will look like meter joint. Otherwise, try doing modify beam join option. Okay, so here you can see this is forming a meter joint. You can also lock. So this is forming a meter joint in the corner. Okay, so that's how we can do meter joint. What else you need? So in case if you're having a different type of joint, it's better not to model it in 3D. Okay, so in Revit you model the base. Okay, so that you can show it in the plan, but in case of detailing the connection, better create a drafting view. That's always better. Okay, so it's better not to spend too much time on doing detailed 3D model. Okay, that's not required. Okay, so I hope this is helpful. Let me know in case if you want to learn a different types of joint. Okay, that's about today. Let me know if you have any questions. If you're watching on YouTube, please use comment section. In case if you're watching on a Twitter, then you can also ask on Twitter. Okay, please tell me about the video and audio quality, because we are doing this live to check the video and audio quality. This will be saved in YouTube and in Twitter. Any questions? How many of you are watching? I can read here nobody is watching this video live. That's fine. Okay, so when you watch, then please let me know about the quality of video and audio. Okay, so when you are watching on YouTube, you have to set the video quality to the highest standard, then see how much quality you can set. Okay, so for example, if this is the video, you have to set the quality of video here. Okay, so please let me know about video quality, and also let me know about audio quality. So today I have just used a Restream platform and OBS Studio. I hope this is helpful. Okay, let me know if it is helpful, then we can continue to use this option. Otherwise, we have to look for alternative. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you then. Bye bye.